In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Reddit unable to access avatar or profile. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check Reddit server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website redditstatus.com. From here, check if Reddit is experiencing any issues. Some profile-related features including avatars and account settings may be temporarily unavailable due to maintenance or service outages. If the issue is affecting many users, you'll likely need to wait until Reddit resolves the problem on its end. Next, try refreshing the Reddit app or website. If you're using the mobile app, first close the app and relaunch it. If you're on a browser, refresh the page and try accessing your profile again. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Reddit. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Outdated app versions can sometimes cause profile and avatar features to stop working properly. Next up, verify your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the issue is being caused by a network problem. Next, log out of your Reddit account and then log in back. This can refresh your account session and fix temporary authentication issues that may be preventing access to your profile or avatar settings. If you're accessing Reddit through your app, you can switch to browser version. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website reddit.com. From here, you can try to access Reddit and change your avatar. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.